ho, 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 ho. This lesson is purely a technical one that focuses on helping you make a beautiful sound and recognize the concept of resonance. As you can see from my dismal performance, I'm not a singer. However, we are going to do the equivalent of this exercise, or at least in spirit, on the violin. Dr. Suzuki invented a term called tonalization, which is a little bit like a hybrid of the word vocalization and tone. And what he was trying to do was emulate the kinds of exercises, perhaps, that singers would do before they start practicing. Now, Suzuki's exercises are not identical to those that singers do, at least not the first ones that we're going to do today, but the spirit, as I mentioned before, is the same. The whole purpose is to allow us to make the most beautiful and pure tone possible. Following our tonalization exercise, we will learn how to play the A major scale, and then we will play 3 A major arpeggios. I urge you from now on to do these exercises every time at the beginning of your practice sessions. Please turn to page 30.